There are so many cars in Shenzhen Tunnel, but the question is why? Why we have a traffic jam there? The reason is we have according to the research, the capacity of tunnel is around 1,200 to 2,000 cars every hour. However, there are 4,500 cars every hour in Shenzhen Tunnel. So it is very easy for them to become a traffic jam and cars will stop there or just look like parked at there. So how do we fix these problems? We find out two solutions. The first one is reduce traffic flow, and the second one is control the traffic flow. And what do we mean reduce the traffic flow? We mean the model should swift. This means that people will not only drive their own cars, but they should maybe take the public transport system like buses or trains or take alternative roads. And why do they doesn't take those choice now? Because it is too inconvenient for them. They have to find out so many information in different websites, so they are lazy. It makes sense. So what do? We want to build a app or software that they can grab the information easily, like they can know if they take the car, the cost, and the time. So this will give them some advantage of easily compare all kinds of ways. So maybe now when we have a discount and we tell them, they will swift to choose the train and maybe swift to choose the buses because they think it's cheaper and it also saves some times for them. And what's the next question is how do we control the system? Now we depend on police officers' instinction, which means that they decide everything. However, we should make our choice and decide depends on our data. So what do we think is we want to build a reserve system and reserve land for vehicle in highways.